How to see unsent messages in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can view or see the unsent messages in Messenger. Now if you just open up Messenger and if you head into some chat and someone has sent you a text but they have removed it, right? Like suppose if they had sent you a text and they had removed or unsent it, then you'll find that they unsent a message option showing up instead of the text that they had actually sent. Now unfortunately, there is no any way that you can get it to see that what they had sent unless they send it back again. Now you can ask them to send it back again, but unless if they don't send it, there is no any way that you can know what they have sent. Now there is a trick that you can know. However, what you can do is, as you know, if you have enabled notifications on your phone for Messenger, then you'll get the notification on your notification bar. Right now, if they had sent you a text and by chance you haven't opened up the text, if you just scroll down notification bar, you might still be able to see the text notification there and you might be able to read it there. However, now it's not 100% sure that you'll be able to see it. However, there is a slight chance that you'll be able to do so. So this is the only way you can actually see and unsent messages in Messenger. There is no any other way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.